Okay, so here we have a oldie but a goodie, a rusty but trusty 50s GE box fan that I got from my same friend that's moving and such. I have not tried this one yet. It has not been running a long time. One speed. I'm sure it'll pick up here in a second. These things are quite powerful from what I've been told. GE did make some good stuff. I don't know which direction it blows the air, because like I said, I've never had one of these, so I have no clue anything about it other than it's heavy as fuck. Okay, it appears that it blows the air this way, and it appears to be a one speed. I have never seen a one speed box fan in my life. So that's new to me. If anybody knows, does this just like blow like hell, or does it stay fairly calm, or? As you can hear, the good old cold spot was running. Oh, she's moving some air. It's quiet. I have a feeling this thing just gonna take off. Oh yeah. Cool. Rusty but trusty. It's in good shape. Just surface rust. Clean this up and paint it. Every single one of these I see a picture of that handle's fucked on. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. Yep, single speed. Obviously it really doesn't need to be oiled. It's got a decent spin down. Just lack of use. It's been in the garage. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Definitely the oldest box fan I have. I mean, the other oldest one's probably all those Bradfords and Big Boy over here, which is 60s, and those are 60s. This is 50s. But I would believe it if this is just a low RPM box fan. Old stuff is quiet. GE. I really like that GE badge. And then on the back, General Electric. I think people consider these a window fan. Seems awfully big to me, but Yeah, I think that just needs to be run. Cool nonetheless. Really cool.